Good morning and welcome back to the channel. As you see from the last clip just now, and remember back how the channel started, I love my Fiesta RS Turbo, okay? I no longer own that white car with massive regret, but you always got to move on. I had it for about 5 or 6 years, built most of it, and I absolutely adored it, loved it, got loads of attention, good and bad. Anyhow, the next clip I'm going to show is the one that I am currently building. I let that roll right now. And how can I forget, this black Fiesta, which I'll upload now, is the one that I also had at another time. So I have a total of 3 of them. I'm in the process of building a grey one, doing a full restoration on it. It's not going to be standard, but that's not why I'm doing this video today. Just about to head off up the garage because I've got an undercar paint to do. But what you will do now, when I get there, I'm going to show you a red Fiesta RS Turbo. Something really, really special. And I take full advantage of this video whilst we still got the car and do a bit of a walk around, talk to you about the car. But this is a proper, iconic, perfect example of what the car should look like and how it should be. But before I get there, there's my new boost gauge and my new oil pressure. Not to everyone's taste, but they look pretty cool when I put my lights on. Oh, you can't see them, it's quite dim. But yeah, they're pretty cool. I got them on a car now. But before I leave to go up the garage, I want to show you something. That's right, we have a nice new full closure alarm on the car. But just before I leave, as I didn't have a chance when we were doing the alarm, I was in a rush. Let's get the fuse box cover back on, the cowling, side trim, and then the part of it. I'm not going to bore you, I'll speed this up. So another quick job that's been bugging me is that. Not that it's a big deal, but see, we got loads of cars up the back of the yard. Matthew's kind of giving me this, so I do need to swap this over. Do you know what? Forget that today, seems like too much hard work. I'll do that another day. There we go, so we're back in business. All that's put back up nice and neat now under the car, and I'm going to head off up to the garage and reveal this Super Fiesta. I'm happy with that because that works. It's ready for me to go away to a show now.
12 seconds later.
But before I go, I need to say bye to this little lady because it's her due date today. She's carrying little pups, so I'm sure I'll share them with you when she's had them. But I might have to make a speedy, sharp exit away from the garage today and this video because priorities and stuff. But yeah, can you say hi to everyone? You gonna be a good mum? She's perfect, isn't she? Anyhow, that's enough for stealing a limelight today. I'll see you up the garage.
One eternity later.
Right then, so we made it to the garage. Yes, I am a little bit dirty than earlier. I'm in the middle of doing an inside paint on the car and a bit of a tidy up. But it is a bit of a forward day today down here. So we got me. Hang on. What's this? Oh yeah, it's a full underside restoration. New car owned by Matthew of the body shop. New things come in, great car. It's a crossover year, but it's a small turbo Lux. I think it's got like 70,000 miles on it. Absolute great car. So yeah, so stay tuned and tune into the channel because this bad boy is having a complete full restoration underside on it, going absolutely all out. Powder coating, poly brushing, strip the bottom back to bare metal. Any metal work needs to be carried out. It's literally going to be phenomenal. I'm so happy to be working on this car. So me and Matthew will be vlogging this. But yeah, so we got that. We got my old Escort there. We got his cracking Mustang was coming. So the story of this Escort Turbo, you recall back on my previous videos, I went to a car show up in Trago Mills. The car was offered to myself up there in a few hours. I took the details, I put Matthew in touch, and overnight, job done. Matthew's got the car. Well, the deal was done. So now the car's exchanged hands, logbooks, etc. I'm going to start blogging it, but anyhow, it's not about the Escort, it's about the Fiesta. So just come in for a complete full polish. It's a new car. There are a few scratches on it when it came in, from obviously where it was being couriered around or the back of the truck. Matthew's big turbo, Cosworth. Lux, again, full leather. Nice spec on this. And another cheeky Mustang. So yeah, obviously the XR2. But yeah, today is an absolute Ford day. Oh yeah, you all know about the Transit. That'll be done soon too. We have it, what we've been waiting for. We've had this car at the garage for the last 4 years, I'd say. We used to run a Z-Tech Turbo. It had a full paint job by a previous owner, and when the boys bought it, then it came to us. It wasn't running, it had no brakes, it just wasn't running. So we've gone completely stock and completely standard with it. We've done a lot of work. As you can see, the car's had a full machine polish. Gone for the standard airbox, standard hoses, all standard hoses. Did have a front mounted cooler. It's got an original turbo bumper on it, and it's gone back now to having a standard cooler on it. Bigger battery, diesel, all new, all the decals, all this has gone back on it. This has been painted in the original RAL colour. But yeah, standard car, standard jack, etc. We've had the latest spec mirrors, but now we've gone back to the earlier ones. Genuine strips on the side. Yeah, beautiful car. It's had braided lines put on it. It's had the discs with pads. It's got aftermarket wishbones on the front of it. It's poly-bushed. It's had a limited slip diff gearbox of an Escort Turbo with a brand new clutch on it. It's had a new power steering rack on it. It's been sealed, everything's been checked, water leaks, etc. But it is an absolute outstanding example of a car. The sun is shining on it right now. Needs a quick wipe over because it's full of dust. But yeah, check that out. The car's running a humble 170, 180 brake horsepower. It has a chip on it. It's running standard AML valve, no dump valves, etc. No aftermarket air filters. It has a full magnet stainless steel exhaust, brings 3.5 inch all the way through. So yeah, there she is in all her glory. Don't know if you can hear that CVH burble, but it's all about that. I used to love my Fiesta Turbo, and in fact I'm rebuilding another one right now. But yeah, this car is amazing. It's had rear shocks, it's had all braid hoses, all new brakes and all that kind of stuff on it. like I said, it's had no expense spared. It's gone back to the standard features. Like I said, we swapped the mirrors over. It's got the strips on it, standard 3 spokes. We did put different wheels on it. I'll show you a clip up here now. And they did look really cool, but obviously it's going to a new owner very shortly, and it's all about the original 90s. It's a 1990 model. It's solid. It's never needed any rust repairs, any welding. It's solid underneath. It's a really clean, perfect example of a car. It's period correct. It has the orange repeaters. The bonnet is open, that's why it's like that. I'd like to point out for the anoraks, it's got the original bumper and all that kind of stuff. It's an ex-RS Owners Club car. It has the original gear knob and original turbo steering wheel, often taken out in the 90s, and the original tape deck as well too. The car just had a 12-month ticket put on it. It's got the pop outs. I said there's that magnet, there's that burble, original badges. Where you might find some people replace these with green ones. Green is wrong, that is the colour that you're supposed to have as the original spec. Turbo spoiler as it should be with 2 colours. So yeah, so on that note, I'm going to leave you to it. This is going to be in future videos, as well as always my car and that one in there. Let's do a full review soon. But yeah, if you like Ford content and you like all that kind of stuff, all that jazz, and you like retro cars, you like hot hatches, you like fast cars, have a look at Sanders Body Repairs. Say hi, Spiffy. That's Spiffy, we're doing his Evo up the top. I'm sure I've shown you that before. Yep, Spiffy's famous dream car giveaways Evo. You're bound to know what that car is. It's all over the web. But yeah, that's getting done too. So don't forget to like, sub and subscribe. Press that bell as well so you get notifications. There will always be stuff. Engage with us, engage with content and stuff like that. Chat with us, and if you want to see something being done, or if you're not sure about something, ask us and we'll try my best to tell you. Don't forget to hit my other socials up. I'm on TikTok as DeathBoxDan, I believe. I'm on Instagram as DeathBoxDan too. But until then, thank you very much. This should be called Ford Lane.